how you can upload demo user maker on your site, how you can upload this. So when you can purchase a plan, you will receive download options. So when you can click on the download option, so you will receive a zip file. So in this zip file I will show you, you have a two folder. So one folder is for extension, so you can upload on your extension in a Chrome or any browser, and the second folder is demo. So here is my extension folder and here is the demo option. So I will go to here and unzip this file first. So I will click on the extract option and I will unzip this file. Now the folder is unzipped successfully. So in this folder, here is the two folder. This is the extension folder and this is the demo folder. The demo folder name is, I will change the name like demo user maker or creator. Anything you can change name according to your need. Okay. So I will need to create a subdomain, because I have a domain. I will create a website on my subdomain. I will upload on my subdomain. So I will click on add website. After I will click on add new website and I will click next. After that, here is the option import PHP and HTML website. Click on this. So I will create a subdomain like demo user create, and this is my subdomain. I will create my I will add my main domain also, web.site also. So this is my subdomain and this is the main domain. Okay. So I will click on the next button. So demo user create. This is the initialized my project PHP and HTML. So after this installation, I will upload my demo file, which file I will download using my admin panel. The SSL is installation. First I will click on this panel. So you will check, this is the default page. Now I will go to file manager, and after that I will go to public.html. Here is the file. So I will go to here and copy the both files, connection.php and index.php, and drop here. So here is the file. I will show you this page is some changes. This is the generate license maker. You can change the language also according to your country. Okay. So I will go to English and I will show you some changes. You can do this. So go to connection.php file, and here you can change username, password, API token, and you can change also your CRM name. So you need to add username as it is like your, you can add in admin panel. So the username and password you can put on, you can log in as a admin. So you can log in using the admin, and the password which can use for admin. So you can go here and put your username, password. So I will put my username and password. After that, here is the API token options. So you go to WhatsApp and click on this API option. After that, this field is blank, so you need to click on this generate token options. After that, the token is generated successfully. After the you can copy this token and paste it in your code. So I will replace my token key, and I will change. You can change also your CRM name, and you can also change default language. I will show you the default language you can change. So here is the default language is ES, means Español. So here you can check, this is the Español language, and if I go with the PT for Portuguese. So and I will change the name. So this is the default language is Portuguese. So you can go with your default language also. So I will go with the English. Okay. Now you can send OTP for your user want a demo license. You need to only share this license link. So you can click on this. After that you can add any invalid OTP you can add. So this is told you that that is invalid OTP. So you go to your WhatsApp, your WhatsApp send the OTP using your number. There is 904771. So I will go to here and 904771. I will enter the right OTP. After that they can OTP verified, create license. So I will go to here and enter my enter your user, enter their email, your name and their password also. So they will get a free license. Okay, thank you.